I wasn't thrilled, exhilarated, buzzing with the 100 this year. It was fine. For me, the pitches, I'm going to sound old here. I'm 39. I'm allowed a little whinge on the odd occasion.
Stop moving the robot!
The pitches wound me up. I just think, what's the IPL amazing at? Amazing at entertainment, six hitting, quick outfields, bowlers stand out because they're exceptional. I thought the pitches were a letdown, if I'm honest, and that's not a dig at the groundsman. I think certain teams ask for tired pitches to bring them closer to different teams. I would suggest with this revamp that the tournament take control of the pitches, like an ICC tournament does. You get to a World Cup, the home team doesn't choose the pitch, the ICC control the pitches. We want flat pitches. Great, now I'm retired and bowler. Great, I can say flat pitches. That's the only tweak I'd make. That's my moan over. Happy days, move on.
Get yourself a glass of wine, mate. Just calm down.